Welcome back. Today it's me, Beto G. I'm back today with switch trap beat. I'm going to be making switch trap beat today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop my new videos you will get notified. Now I'm going to launch my FS Studio, but I've already launched my FS Studio, so I'm just going to show you how to launch your FS Studio. When you launch your FS Studio, make sure you put your cursor like this, right click, then click open. But for me, I've already launched my FS Studio, so I'm just going to click here and just enter my FS Studio, then click on add. Today I'm going to be using citrus. On my channel rack, I'll pick my citrus here like this, and this is my channel rack. I'm going to put my cursor on this empty space, left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheels to channel 5, then click on plugin options, click on presets, then I'm going to pick this one, haunted house, like this. This is my switch trap beat. Good, this one is nice. I'm going to create my switch trap beat using this plugin. I'm going to put my cursor like this, right click on my mouse, click on piano roll. So I'll start to program my switch trap beat like this, now like this. Now I've made my 1 to 4 bars pattern. I'm going to click here on select, highlight it to the left, then press Ctrl and B. I've extended it right to bars number 8. I'm going to go back to my channel rack here, click on add, then click on bull bars. After that, I'm going to put my cursor here, left click on it, turn the mouse wheel to channel 6, put my cursor on bull bars, right click on my mouse, then click on piano roll. Now is the bass melodies. Now I'm going to create my bass melodies now. These are my bass melodies. I'm arranging my bass melodies now. That's it. As you can see, this I'm arranging my bass melodies now on my switch trap beat. That's my bass melody. The next step is on hi-hat here. I'm going to right click, then click on piano roll. Now I'm going to click on my piano roll. This is my hi-hat now. I'm arranging my hi-hat. Now. I'm going to highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B. The next step is I'll start to program my snare now. This is my snare on channel 4. I will right click, then click on piano roll. I'm going to put my cursor like this. At the end of channel 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. Another bounce. Then another bounce like this. This is it. That's it. Then this is my kick. I'm going to left click and hold it. I'm going to left click, hold my mouse, then drag it to channel 1. On top of my kick here, I'm going to right click, then click on piano roll. On 1, on 2, I'm going to put my kick like this. On 3, on 4, on bar number 4, on bar number 5, bar number 5, bar number 6. That's it. 7, 8. That's okay. Now let's arrange now the beat, but on our mixer 5 and 6, I'm going to bring down the 6, bring down the 5. This is the 5. Number 3 is the hi-hat. Number 4, the snare. On number 5, which is the first melody, I'll click on slot 1, add a fruity compressor. Slot 2, I'm going to add a fruity soft clipper. Slot 3, I'm going to add a fruity multiband compressor. Slot 4, I'm going to add a fruity parametric EQ2. Then let's go to number 6. Slot 1, I'm going to add the Fruity Parametric EQ2. Slot 2, I'm going to add a Fruity Mossband compressor. Slot 3, I'm going to add the Fruity limiter. That's okay. And make sure you use these tools up here. This view playlist, I'll click here where they have written pattern 1. Put your cursor like this, right click on your mouse, then click split by channel. As you can see, everything we have programmed has appeared on the top left corner of my FX view. I'm going to click on kick, click on my playlist, click on my hi-hat, click on my playlist, click on my snare, click on my playlist, click on my first melody, click on my playlist, click on my boo bars, then click to my playlist. After that, make sure after that you come here, click select, put your mouse like this, left click, hold it, highlight your left, press Ctrl and B so several times to extend a beat like up to bars number 8. After that, I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. After that again, I'll come here and click select, highlight it to the left, press Ctrl and B again to extend it. That's it. I'm extending my beat. Make sure you always use this tool up here, this thing. You can just put a cursor like this, come here and put a cursor like this, just drag it again to like to see what you are doing. Now I'm going to extend my beat. I'll click here on Haunted House, click on my outro, and click on my outro like this, click on my boo bars, click here on my outro. That's it. Today I'm not going to details. I'm going to remove the hi-hat, remove the snare, go to our mixer. 3 and 4, I'll put my cursor, right click on my mouse, click create automation clip. On 4, I'll right click, then click create automation clip. Now let's listen to the switch trap beat from the start to the end. This was just a sketch. Tomorrow I'm bringing the full details. Now let's go. Let's play the beat and see you tomorrow in full details. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow in another video. Tomorrow I'm bringing into details, and goodbye.